dear student, in this lecture I am going to discuss about order of reaction. That is very eminent topic of this chapter. Means chemical kinetics. About the order of reaction. What is the order of reaction? The sum of the concentration of the power of the concentration of reactant present in the rate equation of any chemical reaction is called order of reaction. किसी केमिकल रिएक्शन के ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन निकालने के लिए उसके रेट इक्वेशन में जो रिएक्टेंट के कंसंट्रेशन का पावर होता है उसका सम ही ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन कहलाता है. मींस व्हाट इज ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन? इट इज द sum of the power of the concentration of reactants in rate equation of related reaction. Okay, it is the sum of the power of the concentration of reactants in the rate equation of related reaction. Clear? For example, as for the given reaction, especially for the given reaction, see, A plus B gives out, this is a particular chemical reaction, and suppose its rate equation is given K, concentration of A to power X into concentration of B to power Y. Therefore, order of reaction must be equal to X plus Y. Means order of any chemical reaction is equal to the sum of the power of the concentration of reactant given in rate इक्वेशन. ये केमिकल रिएक्शन है. दिस इज द रेट इक्वेशन. और इस रेट इक्वेशन में दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन. द पावर ऑफ द सम ऑफ द पावर ऑफ द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ रिएक्टेंट इज इक्वल टू इट्स ऑर्डर ऑफ रेट्स. क्लियर? दिस इज एनालिसिस टू डिसाइड the order of any chemical reaction, and on the basis of this, if X plus Y is equal to 0, then order of reaction must be 0. If X plus Y is equal to 1, then order of reaction must be 1. If X plus Y is equal to 2, then the order of reaction 2. Means see, if X plus Y equal to 0, therefore order of reaction must be 0. Okay? Second, if X plus Y equal to 1, therefore order of reaction must be 1. Okay? If X plus Y means sum of the power of concentration equal to 2, therefore order of reaction must be 2. Clear? By the same way, if x plus y is equal to 3, then the order of reaction must be 3. Clear? And one thing, there are some properties which are necessary about the order of reaction. Properties related to the order of reaction. Then how will you decide the properties? Properties related to order of reaction. Properties number 1. It is equal to the sum of the power of the concentration of reactant in given rate equation. It is equal to the sum of the power of concentration of reactants in given rate equations. Clear? And second point, its value may be in fractions or in decimal. Means its value may be fraction or in decimal or 0. Fraction or in decimal or in 0. 0 भी हो सकती है, फ्रैक्शन या डेसिमल में भी रिप्रेजेंट कर सकती है. एंड थर्ड पॉइंट, इट्स डिटर्मिनेशन इज बेस्ड ऑन एक्सपेरिमेंट. बिना एक्सपेरिमेंट के हम डिसाइड नहीं कर सकते. इट्स डिटर्मिनेशन इज बेस्ड ऑन experiment. Its determination means order of reaction decide करने के लिए the data must be based on experiment observation. Right? These are the eminent properties of any chemical reaction to decide the order of reaction. Clear?